Good day guys, this is Hassan and welcome to Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this video we will draw another shape of Autocad practice series for the beginner students. So guys, let's start the video. And before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. And friends, we have this shape and we are going to draw in Autocad. First we draw these two circles and this circle has the diameter of 70 units. So draw a circle, diameter of 70 units. Now we draw a second circle which have the diameter of 79.2 units. Now we draw this circle which have the diameter of 370. .2 line type scale. Now we draw this circle which have the diameter of 42.5 units. Now we are going to draw this shape, and this line has the angle of 65 degree from this line to this line, and this line has the angle of 12 degree. So we draw a line one zero, one zero, two angle. Now we check the angle, 12 degree. Now we draw this 65 degree angle and 90 degree plus 12 degree and 65 degree, it's equal to 167 degree. So we draw a line 190 plus tab and give the angle 167 degree. And now we check the angle 65 degree. Now we draw this circle which have the radius of 150.5 units. Now we trim it. And delete it. Now we have this shape and we draw these circles which have the radius of 10 units. F inter, R inter and 10 inter, like this. Now select this shape and click on polar array. Give the center point or the base point and change the item 4 and click on close array. So in this way we draw our shape. Now we make these small circles which have the diameter of 8.6. And we array the circle. Click on polar array and click on close array. So guys, in this way we complete our drawing. If you have any question related to AutoCAD, then please contact me on WhatsApp. And guys, take care yourself and see you soon in the next video.